Marty, the thing drops on your desk. What's the first thing you will look for?
Well, I think the most obvious thing is going to be the extent of the redactions. There will be significant redactions, but will it allow us to understand the new things that are in this report that we haven't heard before? So that'll be the most obvious first thing that people will be parsing.
There will be politics in this in America, folks. For our global audience, it's extraordinary, the polarity of opinion on this. Let's go to the Wall Street Journal. And I thought Mr. Henninger, Marty, had a very nice, balanced exhaustion about this whole process. Escape from collusion hell. The Trump chase has changed the standards of American reporting forever. The presidency is never a threat to democracy. It was and remains a daily violation of etiquette. Rather than fight Trumpism on the policy and political merits, the appalled opposition bet on the long shot of Robert Mueller proving the Oval Office violator has been in Vladimir Putin's pocket. I mean, the direct Russian link here, Marty, is really tenuous, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we know a lot about the contacts between the Trump campaign and Russian operatives in the U.S. As the reports have come out, there's no, and the fact that there's no direct evidence of collusion, this report may give us more information on those contacts and the contents of those exchanges that will revive that whole issue of whether or not the Trump campaign was essentially duped by Russian agents that served their interests.
Marty, good morning. I'm curious about this 9:30 a.m. Eastern press conference that the Attorney General is going to be holding. Is it in the Attorney General's job description to be a blocker for the president?
A lot of people would remember Elliot Richardson was not that for Nixon, and he is getting criticism already from Adam Schiff. The most important thing is that the report will not have been released when he holds this press conference. So you will have a whole room full of journalists who will not have read the contents of the report when Barr is giving his press conference. So that'll be a kind of extraordinary moment.